hot second sum. In electricity, hot second sum is given as how many electrons are passing per second in a circuit in which there is a current of 5 ampere. Current, formula for current, Q is equal to IT. Q is equal to I into T. Okay, in this related formula based upon the electrons and current, charges and current. So Q is equal to I into T. Whereas I is given as 5 ampere, T considered as per second, T is given as per second. So 1 second, I is 5 ampere and T is 1 second. You have to find out the Q. They asked how many electrons are passing through that. So the flow of charges, electricity is due to the flow of electrons, not a single electron, electrons. The flow of electrons is called as charges. Negative charges consist of negative charges. So Q is equal to Ne. The another formula relating the charges and electron is Q is equal to Ne. The question asked is how many electrons, that means number of electrons. So number of electrons N is equal to Q by E. Whereas here we have to know the value of E. The value of electron. One electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So first we know that I is 5 ampere. So Q is equal to 5 coulomb. Then substituting N is equal to Q by E. N is equal to Q by E. E is equal to value of Q is 5 and E 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Here we have to divide the 1.6. 5 divided by 1.6. 5 divided by 1.6 into 10 power plus 19. So in order to remove the decimal, multiply it by 10 and divided it by 10, you will be getting 50 divided by 16 into 10 power plus 19. 50 divided by 16. So 50 and 16. 16 3s are 48. Subtracting 48 from 50 will get 2. No other number is there. So you have to put a decimal point and put a 0. 1 times 16. Then remaining 4. Add one more 0. 2 times 32. Remaining 8. Include one more 0. Then 5 times 80. 0. So 50 divided by 16 is equal to 3.125. 3.125 into 10 power 19 number of electrons. This is your answer. Once again, the question given is how many electrons are passing per second in a circuit in which the current is 5 ampere. So current related formula with the charges and time is Q is equal to IT. I is 5 ampere, T is 1 second, so Q is equal to 5C. Charges is equal to 5 coulomb. But electrons they asked. Flow of electrons is called as electricity. One value of 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Whereas the formula connecting the electrons and charges, Q is equal to Ne. So Q by E is equal to N. Already we find Q is equal to 5 coulomb, N is equal to 5 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. In order to remove the decimal, we are multiplying it by 10 and dividing it by 10. We will get 50 by 16. Divide the 50 by 16. 3 times 48, remaining 2. 2 times 16, remaining 4. Again 2 times 32, remaining 8. 5 times 80. So your answer is 3.125 into 10 power 19 electrons. This is your answer. Up to this, the hot answers, hot questions of lesson 3 is completed. So revise and write these 3 sums in your classwork. Revise and write, then only it will be memorized. These 3 sums should be noted in your classwork. This is the work in your classwork you have to write today. Okay.